In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy an order on Fiverr.com. As you can see right here, I'm on Fiverr. In this website, first of all, I have to make sure that I have an account. As you can see, I already have an account, but if you don't, head to fiverr.com/sign up or join, and then you'll be good to go. I can show you this in a private browser easily. Fiverr.com/join, or the link down below in the description. Choose your email, example email. Choose your username. Choose a randomly generated password. Keep in mind that this password doesn't have to be anything related to you as a person. And then follow alongside with me. Make sure that you also verify your email. Now, I'm here in Fiverr. I'm gonna search for a service I would like. For example, let's search Photoshop. And let's find someone that we're looking for. I believe this one looks good. Here you can find that they have a lot of orders and a lot of services basically. Okay, since I'm now here, I'm basically going to click on continue. I can see the price and I can change from packages, but I would like the first packages. I can even compare packages right here to make it easier. I'm gonna click on continue, and as you can see, I can either choose a single order or subscribe to save. I'm gonna click again on continue. Right here, I'm gonna be prompted with this page. In this page, I'm gonna view the total of my fees, the delivery time, and the service fee that is going to Fiverr. Then I'm gonna click on continue to check out. And as you can see, I already have a personal balance in Fiverr. I can get like half of it basically from Fiverr, and I'll have a remaining payment of 11.10. I can do that with either my credit card or my PayPal. Once you fill in your information, you will be good to go. That's basically it, and goodbye.